Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see complete FitGirl installation tutorial. I show you guys how to do it. Before opening the setup folder, you just need to check my video description for this video link. Watch this video first to download the game correctly and avoid setup errors. And then go to search menu and type Windows Security. Click on open it and select the virus and threat protection and select manage settings. Turn off the real-time protection. Select yes. And now just to minimize this page, now open the folder and double click on the setup and select yes. Select OK option. Select this music icon to mute the music and make sure nothing is running in the background. And then if you have under 8 GB RAM, then check mark this box guys. And then select next option, next, and select browse option and select the location where you want to save this game and select next. In voiceovers, you just need to select your preferred language guys. I'm gonna have English and then select the install option. After the installation done, you just need to open up the Windows security we minimized before and scroll down and select add or remove exclusions and select yes. Select the add and exclusion and select folder, and you just need to navigate to the game folder guys. I saved in C drive games, and here is the game folder. Select it and select folder option, and now the game has been added to this list. Go back and turn on the real-time protection. Select yes, and now just close it up here and uncheck this option guys. Open this site, redirect to this site and select the finish option. And as you can see, all files are okay. There is no missing or bad files found. Just to close stuff here and install the DirectX and Visual C++. And the game opens up. Select the play option. And as you can see, the game opens up without having any problem. And now you will never face any game related problem guys. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.